Hello, my amazing artists. Are you ready to create? Here we go. Let's do our motto first. Repeat after me. Good, better, best. Never let it rest until your good is better and your better is best. Okay, boys and girls, since Valentine's Day is coming up, I thought we could make some Valentine's Day hearts. It's a little tricky, so I need you to really pay attention. What you're gonna have today is you're gonna get a black sheet. This is gonna be our background, what we're gonna glue our stuff to, so we're gonna put that to the side. Your two papers you painted last week, they should have your names and numbers on the back. One is warm colors, one is cool colors. We're gonna need some glue, a pencil, and scissors. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna pick one of our papers, turn it sideways like this, okay? Pinch the sides, and you're gonna fold it in half to where the color is on the inside and we cannot see the color, okay? You have it like that. Now we're gonna find the edge that's folded, not the side that's open, but the side that's folded. Run your finger on that side. Try to get on the same side, the left side, like I have it. We're gonna use this, we're gonna draw a heart and cut it out. But when our paper is folded in half, we only need to draw half of a heart so that when we open it, we'll have a whole heart. And you're gonna understand what I mean in just a second, okay? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my pencil and I'm gonna start in the middle of my paper where the folded side is. You see how it's folded? And I'm gonna draw a little dot there, okay? Now, I'm gonna come straight down. I'm not drawing a line, but I'm coming straight down to the very bottom of the folded part. And I'm gonna draw a dot there. I'm gonna do my dots in permanent markers so you can see them. Okay? Now we're gonna draw our half of a heart. So we're gonna start at this middle dot. We're gonna come up, then we're gonna curve down, and then we're gonna make a diagonal line down to that bottom dot, like that. So you come up, you can come up as far as you want. The higher you come up, the bigger your heart's gonna be. If you just come up a little bit, your heart's gonna be smaller. It doesn't matter, okay? So I'm coming up, curving down, and then making a diagonal down to the bottom dot that I made, okay? Now, I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna start, and I'm gonna cut, I'm gonna start on that bottom dot and I'm gonna cut out my heart on that line that I just made. I'm gonna try to stay right on that line. And don't throw this piece of paper away because we're gonna keep both pieces. Then when you open it up, you should have a heart. And they should be all different shapes and sizes. Then when you open this up, you will have another heart. Hold on just a second.
Go ahead and get logged in whenever you can, just to make sure you're able to log in.
And we're gonna keep both of these papers, okay? So I'm gonna keep both of these and I'm gonna put them to the side. I'm gonna do the same thing with my other piece. I'm gonna turn it side to side, pinch the sides, fold it in half, okay? Then I wanna find my folded side, the side that is not open, that's folded. I'm gonna have it on the left side. Everybody get it right there. I'm gonna give you a second. You can pause the video if you need to. I'm gonna take my pencil, I'm gonna make a little dot in the middle and then a little dot down here towards the bottom. You don't have to go all the way to the bottom, just a little bit up from the bottom because we want to still have it connected here after we cut it. And if it's not, it's okay. Then I'm gonna take my pencil and I'm gonna start on that middle dot and I'm gonna make a heart, half of a heart again. The last time I went up really high, this time I'm gonna see what happens if I don't go as high. So I'm gonna go up, curve, and then I'm gonna come down and touch that dot down there. Okay, you can pause it if you need to pause and do this. After you get that drawn, you're gonna get your scissors, start at that bottom dot, and you're gonna cut on your pencil line. I'm not cutting across this. I'm just cutting right on that line, keeping my paper folded, and then I should have a heart on this paper and a heart on that paper. So I now have two hearts and two backgrounds. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my black sheet of paper Write my name and my number, flip it over. And then I'm gonna glue these on, and you can glue them however you want. You can glue all of them, you can just glue one of them. You can make them stick off your paper like this, however you want to. And you're gonna have hearts. I think I'm going to do this one, and then I'm going to do this one here, and maybe, I don't know. I don't know. You can move them around. Let's see. You know what I think we should do? All right. Get the background of one and the heart of another that don't match each other. I want you to get those two. And we're gonna turn our paper up and down like this, and we're gonna glue the background to the top and the heart to the bottom, or you can glue the heart on the top and the background on the bottom. And then we'll have two hearts on our paper. When we glue these down, remember, you just need to put glue around the outside of them. You don't need to cover the whole back with glue, or else you're gonna waste a lot of glue. So then you'll glue your heart up at the top. This will be kind of like a Valentine's Day project. Make sure it glues down really good. And then I'm gonna glue my background to the bottom like that. There you go. Isn't that pretty cool? All right. I hope you guys had fun.